So after that, the office started. It was in the 75. And it started with the project which is built now, and it's the National Center for Meteorology in Toulouse. So the office started like this. The first project I got was a huge project. And this, when I think about it now, it's something which is strange because I thought it was normal. In fact, people say, no, you should have started by refurbishing an apartment. Then we have a house still with friends of yours to build. We have different steps. And life has made that I've started by the top of the system. My name is Jean-Paul Viguier. I'm the founder of the studio, Viguier Architecture, and this is the Architect's Chairs.